chemical tests of alcohols. There are two tests can be done to distinguish the classes of alcohol. Other than oxidation that we did before, the oxidation we did in the previous lesson, we have Lucas test. Lucas test use Lucas reagent. The reagent are concentrated HCl and zinc chloride, ZnCl2. These two are the Lucas reagent. We use this in Lucas test. So we have alcohol and then reacts with the Lucas reagent. The product will be, if there is reaction, the product will be RCl and H2O. For the primary alcohol, if we react with Lucas test, we do Lucas test, react with Lucas reagent, no cloudy solution form at room temperature even after 15 minutes. We cannot see the cloudy solution even after 15 minutes at room temperature. And then for secondary alcohol, cloudy solution form within 5 minutes. And for tertiary alcohol, cloudy solution form immediately. So this is the chemical equation for primary alcohol. Primary alcohol, zinc Cl, zinc chloride, concentrated HCl, no reaction. The observation, no cloudy solution form at room temperature even after 15 minutes. Okay, for secondary alcohol, reacts with Lucas reagent, cloudy solution form within 5 minutes. So this Cl over here replace the OH group in secondary alcohol and the side product is water. Same goes for tertiary alcohol. The Cl replace OH group and the side product is water. Cloudy solution form immediately. Observation for tertiary alcohol. That's for Lucas test we use to differentiate different classes of alcohol. This is the chemical test to identify methyl carbinol group. We call it iodoform test. We test the methyl carbinol group. What is methyl carbinol? Methyl carbinol is the methyl at the carbon that has OH. That is methyl carbinol. Okay, we do iodoform test. The reagent is excess iodine in the presence of hydroxide. We use sodium hydroxide. The products are carboxylate ion, O minus, C double bond O, O minus is carboxylate ion, and iodoform, CHI3 is iodoform. This arrow down means precipitate at the bottom of the test tube. So that's what arrow downs mean, the precipitate at the bottom of the test tube. Iodoform, yellow precipitate. This is methyl carbinol. One methyl, CH3 methyl, attached to the carbon that is attached to OH. That is methyl carbinol. If the carbon that attached to OH has CH3, that's what we call methyl carbinol. If there is methyl carbinol, you will see the product of iodoform and carboxylate ion if you react it with excess iodine in the presence of hydroxide ion. Observation, light yellow precipitate is formed. So here, look at here, this is the secondary alcohol. At this alcohol compound, look at this carbon. It has the carbon that is attached to OH has methyl. So this is what we call methyl carbinol. If we have methyl carbinol in the compound, reacts with excess iodine in the presence of hydroxide ion, carboxylate ion will be formed, C double bond O. this C that is attached to OH, that C will form C double bond O, and this C will have O minus. Okay, this C will bond with O minus, and CHI3 iodoform precipitate will be formed if the compound has methyl carbinol. Same goes to this one. This carbon that is attached to OH has one methyl, so it can form iodoform and carboxylate ion.